Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming that you're signed into the same Apple ID on every device where Messages appears. This is why changes propagate. Once confirmed, back up any threads you want to keep locally, screenshots, or exported text, because disabling iCloud may remove synced history. Make sure two-factor authentication and device passcodes are ready and that Wi-Fi is stable. This prevents partial syncs. Now, move to the Messages settings on your primary device to begin turning off iCloud sync. You tap Settings, then your name, then iCloud, and locate Messages. Toggle it off. That stops new messages from syncing to iCloud. On a Mac, open Messages, go to Settings, choose iMessage, and uncheck Enable Messages in iCloud. When prompted on iPhone or iPad, select Download and keep Messages if you want a local copy. This preserves history on that device only. Once done, repeat on every device, signed to the same Apple ID, so no device continues syncing, and finish by signing out of iCloud on any device you want completely detached from Messages. This prevents hidden sync. Then check iCloud storage settings to confirm Messages no longer count against your backup. If you unexpectedly lose conversations, don't panic. Re-enable Messages in iCloud briefly to see if they reappear or restore from a local backup you made earlier. If issues persist, reboot devices and confirm Apple ID consistency. That usually resolves lingering sync conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.